Now let's resolve this exercise. Page 48, exercise 51. Interpolate 149 terms between 18 and 92. And for this one, I would like you to consider resolving using this equation. A sub n, it is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? Yes, we can solve in another way because we do interpolation every time, okay, in our lives. Every now and then we are just using interpolation over and over, because interpolation in the end, if we just look at it, I'm not going to do this exercise, okay. Let's make something in sideways in here. Let's suppose we have a paper, maybe an exam, and we need to divide that paper into 3 equal parts, okay. And when we do this, we are interpolating, okay. To interpolate means add those 2 lines among 1 and 2, okay. So in the end, we're going to interpolate A and B between 1 and 2, okay. That is what means to interpolate, and that is why we always have to remember this. This is very important, okay. Remember, from interpolation, okay, I don't want to cover this part in here. I just wanted to show you this part in here. When we interpolate p terms, in this case we are interpolating 2 terms, a and b, we are going to have p plus 1 more number of intervals. So if we interpolate 2 terms, we are going to have 3 intervals. Why is it so important to know the number of intervals? Because it is the number of intervals that we are going to use to know what is d. This is going to be d, our common difference, remember? So in this case, let's suppose the page has maybe 30 centimeters. Now d is going to be just what? 30 divided by 3, which is the number of intervals. And this is just going to be 10, right? Okay, because then it's going to be 10. So we need very desperately to know d, and for that we need the number of intervals. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and we know that if we are interpolating p terms, we are going to have 1 more interval. Okay, just think about this and think about this problem. Okay, but please, this is how we solve it daily. Okay, this is how we solve it at every moment in our lives. But I would like you not to solve in this way. I know you can solve in this way. I would like you to solve using the equation. Okay, so please go ahead, take your pencil, okay, and what would be an, what would be n, what would be a1, and so on. Okay, go ahead, I'm going to wait. It's very simple, this one, but to be simple, it's something. To be able to put that simple thing into the paper, it's something totally different. Okay, most times we can't put simple things into the paper. Why? It's not because we didn't understand. It is just because sometimes we don't know how to start it, and that's why we have to practice. Okay, so please go ahead, I'm going to wait. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, assuming you did your parts, now what would be an? Well, an, it's simple. Okay, I know I say everything is simple, but after we understand, they become simple, right? Okay, now what's going to be in here? We have 149 terms. I always like to make drawings. This is going to be 18, this is going to be 92, and we're going to have many, okay, separators in here, and those are going to be 149, okay? 149 lines in here to separate. Well, so this is going to be 109 terms, 150, 151. Okay, so this guy in here, it is going to be number, what is my, this one, this guy in here, it is going to be a 151, right? 49, 50, 51, and this of course is going to be a1. So what's going to be, this is going to be a 151, which is equal to a1 plus now 151 minus 1 times d. Okay? Okay, that means that what is a, it doesn't mean the exercise is going to have a very beautiful number for d. It probably it won't, but anyway, 151, it is going to be 92 equals 18 plus this is going to be 150 times d. Okay, and that means that d is going to be 92, oops, 92, okay, 92 minus 18 divided by 150, okay, and this is going to be 74 divided by 150. Yes, this is not going to be able. This is going to be what, 37 divided by 75. Okay, yes, we can do anything more than that. We can say that this is close to, okay, 0.5, okay, close to, okay. If I'm not interested about the accuracy in here, okay, so I just wanted to show you. So let's just say that d, it is about, okay, half, okay. So but our actual answer would be like this, 37 divided by 75, okay, that would be our actual answer, okay. So when we interpolate 149 terms, we're going to have like this, 18, then 18 point half, then 19, then 19, let's put this, it's sometimes it's better, 19.5, then 20, okay, and we could see the sequence. Now in the end is going to be, it's going to end with 92. That would be our sequence, okay. The answer would also be this one, okay. Actually the answer is more to this one, okay. So it's not difficult, right, to interpolate. It's not, the interpolation per se is not difficult, but of course interpolation, it is going to be brought to us in a much more difficult problem, okay, because interpolation, you see, look, this is the most complicated formula you have to use it, okay, it's not difficult, okay. So thank you very much. Let's see this next exercise.